Good evening, my name is Monica Spears and I am here to present my gummy bear experiment. So here I have a gummy bear submerged in tap water and I have a gummy bear submerged in salt water, and here is kind of hard to see, but here is my normal non-submerged in any kind of water gummy bear. And my gummy bears have been sitting there for about 7 hours now. So I am hoping to get the result that we were expected to. So let's take out the tap water gummy bear. So this is my tap water gummy bear here. And this is my saltwater gummy bear over here. And that is pretty difficult to see, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in my hand. This is the saltwater gummy bear. This is a normal gummy bear. And this is my tap water gummy bear. So it's kind of difficult to see. I'm going to try to put this down here for comparison. So pretty difficult to see, but my tap water gummy bear is actually smaller when compared to my regular gummy bear and my saltwater gummy bear. And my saltwater gummy bear is actually the same size as my normal gummy bear. So I am not sure why that happened. I am going to assume that it may have to do with the fact that I may have not placed enough salt in my saltwater, cup, or it may have been the fact that I used a certain temperature they didn't like. I used room temperature, warmer, side water. So that may have been the reasons why it did not work, even though I did put a lot of salt as was instructed to do. So I'm not sure why that happened. But if the experiment were to work, the solution would have been that the tap water gummy bear, this one right here, would have grown. And the reason why it would have grown is due to the fact that it was submerged in a hypotonic solution. And that usually entails water submerging into the cells, making them larger. And my saltwater gummy bear would have actually shrunk due to the fact that it was submerged in a hypertonic solution, meaning that the water would have left the cells via osmosis. Osmosis is the solution leaving an area of lower concentration to an area of higher concentration. And to go a little bit further, to give an example of hypertonic solutions, so a solution with a higher concentration of dissolved particles than plasma, for example, would be hypertonic to plasma. A solution with lower dissolved particles than plasma would be hypotonic to plasma. And so those are some examples that I found in the book that are related to a real world scenario. And that is the way that certain treatments are chosen in regards to IV fluids, depending on what the patient is experiencing. And that's what I would have hoped to have been the outcome of this experiment, but it wasn't. And that is all I have. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.